When we break down strength, when we break down stability in our body, and when we break down changing our body, we're looking at three different systems. They're the three different systems I want to go through today. It comes back down to your body's not going to change when we're not challenging it. And we're going to know how our body actually builds strength and why you might feel like you're a bit stuck. So one works instantly without oxygen. I'm going to go through that, what oxygen does to our body. Builds strength plus power. One works quickly but creates fatigue. One works slower but lasts longer. They all are important in their own way. Each of them trains your body differently. So if you stay in one, your body will only adapt to one. So one works on the nervous system. One works on creating force in your muscles. We're looking at creating stability. And then one works on being able to work for longer.